Shout out to Caribbean Shipping and Postal Service on Howard Street in Evanston, Illinois. The Jamaican Diaspora publication highlights all aspects of Jamaican culture on the island and worldwide. Stay in touch, stay connected. For more information, visit JamaicanDiaspora.com. Insurance brokers. Insurance brokers will cover all your insurance needs. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Auto, bond, business, home, liability, special events. We've got you covered. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Jamaican American Club. The Jamaican American Club is a not-for-profit organization. For more information, visit JamaicanAmericanClub.org. That's JamaicanAmericanClub.org.
Good day, my name is Robert Milton Jackson. I saw the hand of God before I made the Talking Bible computer program and DVDs available at listenbible.com. Currently, we have 14 languages available: English, French, Haitian Creole, etc. I invite a hurting world to play the Talking Bible continuously in your home and join us in building giant Talking Bible billboards all over the world.
Caribbean fruits? Remember coconut water? How about eating a juicy mango? Enjoy West Indian spices. Come to Rogers Park Fruit Market, 7401 North Clark Street. That's Rogers Fruit Market, 7401 North Clark Street. Call 773-262-3663. That's 773-262-3663.
Midwest Communication Network Group is a not-for-profit organization. We design healthcare programs, create communication networks, and promote our Haitian culture. For more information, visit thenicolecloteshow.com.
Ça fait longtemps, bah ouais. Robin, you brought the house down.
Wow.
How did you do that?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, I enjoyed every minute of it.
Yeah, it was wonderful. And this is the first, I think, outdoor show anywhere in Chicago. And I must say, I had fun on stage. You know, the people, they seem to be, they were having fun. You know, and myself and the Unique Band, which is my band, you know, we tried to make it as fun as we could. And you know, I'm really appreciative of the vibe and the great feedback that the people give out there. It was wonderful.
So may I ask you this, are you on next Marvin Gaye?
Those are some powerful names they're calling, you know, but you know, we love what we do. That's the greatest thing. I love singing, I love performing. I love to see people having fun. You know, and I think if we keep that same mentality, not just as, you know, as a team, if we keep that same mentality that trying to make people have fun everywhere we go, you know, great things can happen in the sun. Yeah.
So who inspired you?
You call his name, Marvin Gaye is one of them.
Oh,
you know,
wow.
I grew up listening to Percy Sledge and Otis Redding and Michael Jackson and, you know, in Jamaica, my Jamaican artists would include people like Barry Salmon and Dennis Brown and Alton Ellis. The list goes on and on. Freddie McGregor, you know, Luciana, you know, Buju Banton, Sizzla. The list, if I continue, I won't stop. You know, but you know, I love music. I grew up in a house that music was always playing. You know, my mommy, she's a big lover of music in general, every genre. So I get inspiration from almost every music.
So when do you know that was the end of the music was in you and this is it?
I think at age 10, yeah, because what I used to do is sing in the yard when I was bathing on the outside, and people would pass by and hear me. And I think when I was 10, somebody told my mommy that I could sing, and then I went to church and everybody wanted to hear me sing. I sang one Sunday morning, and that was where it all started. You know, the following Sunday, I was on stage again singing. I was singing in the community. As soon as I entered high school, I was singing again. You know, people from those concerts, you know, invited me to sing at devotions in the morning, and you know, JCDC festivals in Jamaica, and go on and on to Rising Stars in 2007. I mean, altogether Sing First, which was a choir competition, and then that was 2006, and then 2007, I entered a competition in Jamaica called Digital Rising Stars. You know, and that's where I got my big breakthrough in Jamaica. You know, and you could pretty much say that's where it started.
But one thing I admire about you is not just your voice, but when you can just bring in the audience, and that's an art, and how do you do that?
Yeah, as I said, I just love to see people have a good time, and whatever I need to do to bring them in or to make them feel a part of the show. I think that's the important thing, to make people feel like they're part of the show, and not to make the show feel like it's about you, the artist or the band on stage. And so we just always try to, you know, let them feel like a part of the whole vibe, like a family vibe, you know, and it always works. You know, and that's what we'll always do, you know, in the future.
But I also must ask this, how do you love or try Chicago?
Chicago is beautiful. A really, really beautiful place, beautiful people. You know, and you know, it was a warm welcome. I could say this first outdoor show was a very warm one. You know, and I'm looking forward to more. You know, I was looking forward to more, you know, bigger ones, and to see more people, and you know, to spread this message that we have in the music. You know, so.
And it will happen. The best to you. Thank you for being here, for your performance.
Thank you very much.
Et une photo avec Romain. Merci.
Right, I know this is a serious time. Violence and crime and not being done. youth them up on their mind. Oh, them youth bust it when rain and fall. You know this and them don't care them your youth bust it time when sun and shine. Oh, Chicago, you know see it, you know see how pain you be not there. Bust it big on the mountain street. Bust it up. Oh, where them get it from? Nobody know. Them father was a killer. How will I see him so? If you want to see a better word, just wave your hands in the air for love. Say, I know we can't sleep. Oh, no one told me try to do it. Me can't sleep. See, because I'll be a gunshot to beat. Can't sleep. Oh, no one told me try to do it. I can't sleep, no. I'll be a gun in the street. Them youths are no play. Every single day. Them have been on them ways, and if you talk too hard, them shoot out your face. Tell them what's up, go on, me, I'm gonna keep it calm. Whoa, I do. If you want to see a better Chicago, just wave your hands aloud. Say, we can't see. Whoa, no one told me try to do it. Me can't see. Hey, because I'll be a good shot of it. Whoa, see. No one told me try to do it. Me can't see. Oh, I'll be a one in the street. Hey.
Peace and love, everyone. This is John Day Scott from Mission, Illinois. I'm a patient care specialist, and our medical dispensary is located on 8554 South Commercial, and you can give us a call at 773-530-0088 or visit us online at www.missionil.com, missionil.com, and we teach you about medical cannabis.
Welcome back. Oui, nous avons une portion en créole et l'autre là en anglais. Donc, la bienvenue, Lolo.
Merci, merci.
Je suis Nicole. Et
Enchanté, Nicole.
Bien sûr.
Moi, tu as regardé le show.
yeah, bien sûr. Bon show, bien, très bien.
Merci.
Parce que de mon côté, ça fait longtemps, peut-être 10 ans de ça, tout le monde m'attendait de Bookman Experience. Bookman Experience, c'est la première fois que je m'entendais au sort. Merci en pile pour l'opportunité.
Moi-même tout, moi content de faire passer ça. C'est comme ça que les organisateurs relèvent nous pour nous venir là. C'est une opportunité. Même quand on est à Chicago, ça peut-être l'année prochaine, pour le Madison Festival, le fait 14 juillet, Madison, non? Haïtiens, étrangers, tout, live, nous dansons plus.
Bien, oh, c'est pas danser, non, des autres, moi, je fais partie des autres, mais moi-même, c'est pas danser,
tout ça, mais c'est bien ça.
Oui, mais son performeur, je dirais, extraordinaire. Donc, aucun audience là, engage. Donc, je dirais que c'est une expertise.
Bon, probablement. Bon, ça qui est important, c'est le sous-stage, tout, ou même, sur nous-mêmes, vibration à sortir, énergie à sortir, et puis la toucher nous-mêmes, et puis entrer pour que ils ont nos côtés, que nous capables de bailler nous-mêmes sans que nous pas troublés par le bagage de moment ça. C'est un moment sacré pour moi. Même sous scène, c'est pas sacré.
Ah, bien sûr, ben, un mot qui est très important, c'est énergie. Donc, son bac réellement, m'a besoin mot anglais que bring to the stage energy. Et aussi, ce qu'a parlé avec auditeur, audience qui attendait nous, qui genre Bookman Experience.
Qui genre?
Qui genre, qui sorte de musique.
Ah, bon, nous allons regarder dans peut-être qu'il y a quelques livres musicologues sortis, ils mettent Vaudois Jaï, c'est le premier nom que je mais il n'y a pas tellement Kembel, nous on toujours dit Kembel dans le monde comme ça, mais il y a le tout Vaudou Wok, mais on a une musique racine. Donc c'est une fusion de musique traditionnelle, mais ça qui est différent avec le groupe avant où il y a des jeunes années 50, tout ça, c'est que nous-mêmes, nous jouons les gens que liés en bas, que ici, Vaudou. Donc ça veut dire que Fred Lambrou, il était sorti. Donc il y a nous marier à de l'autre expérience. Depuis petit que m'a fait rock, reggae, jazz, tout ça. Et puis nous faisons fusion. Donc c'est fusion ça qui est sorti. Mais nous voyons que nous très rock. Ouais, parce que c'est une influence tout Jamaican, tout petit.
Oh, Jamaican.
Il y a un petit garçon, Paul Bourgoin, qui joue guitare.
Oh, avec
lui, des fois. Ouais, parce que lui-même, il a tourné tout. Pour aller à Montréal, il a joué aujourd'hui à Montréal.
So, il y a l'autre génération là, l'autre génération appliquée.
Nous, on chaque table de tambour.
Oui.
Et à droite, là, c'est premier petit. Les petites créations là, je suis en Suisse. Comme il est dans la zone, il y a un groupe partout. Il y a une zone pour faire tout ça.
Merveille. Yeah.
Qui était spécial à soi.
Oh, that is awesome. But, you know, je trouvais que pour l'heure que utiliser ce très vibrante, et aussi de belles, you know, groupes et qui accompagnent nous. Donc, parler de organisation.
Comme tout groupe là, il y a un ancien là-dedans. Chaque jouet là qui était battu à tout petit à d'autres types, c'est cousin moi. Et puis il y a l'autre qui est sur côté là, tout le monde qui est tout peut-être calé, il a un peu longtemps tout. Mais pas à coup, ça va me dire là. Et puis l'autre a petit. Donc batteur lui-même il a 5 ans avec nous. Bassiste là il y a 2 ans, mais c'est nous le meilleur bassiste en Haïti. Bassiste. Nous guitaristes tous, très bon guitariste. Et puis nous depuis 2 à 3 ans, on a tourné avec eux et nous avons performance parce que l'autre musicien nous a été ici, il passe un gros musicien tout, Alfred Gérald qui a vu Chicago.
Oh oui, oui,
c'est un gros musicien. Nous saluons lui, nous avons un grand keyboardiste et Kofi qui était fait plusieurs années avec nous, qui fait album avec nous. Je regrette que le concert trop tard va venir là, ouais, mais le groupe là très homogène. Très homogène.
Donc, quand on a traversé, on a parlé.
Hello, my name is Judith Wilson, and I'm the president of Jamaican for Life. Jamaican for Life is a not-for-profit organization. We have been in existence since 2014. Our mission is to bring medical equipment back to the rural areas upcoming fundraiser on the Summer Jam on July 7th. Please come out and support us.
Play that song of Prince Royal.
Chicago vibes today. Chicago vibes today was crazy in the park. You know, one of the best show ever, and it's a pleasure being here, you know, performing for you guys every year. And if you missed this year, you missed one of the best show ever, trust me.
About the album coming up.
And you know the album coming, so go get the album. Right now we got the new album out. It's called Animal Instinct. So that one is out right now on iTunes. You can follow me on Instagram, ElephantManJA. The new album come out October, Dancing Forever. So you don't know the thing, go Elephant Man. You know the steps. Kaboom!
American, any Asian, any African, any Jamaican. We're better. Jamaica. Jump. Swing you in. Oh my yes, we are behind. Oh my head. Chicago. Right down like a town up, you can put it up. Batman forward. And if you dig it up, that time dig it up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. DJ pull it up, change the name, come here. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Stand up in the ear. Left it. Warm up. Sing that. Everybody do like this. What up, y'all? Not here, sir. Give me this though. Yeah. Over the bar. Put your hand there. Over the bar. Put your hand there. Over the bar. Put your hand there. Don't live a bar. When I say jump. 1, 2, 3, hey. Batman rapping in time and in a tall. Batman put your leg over the wall. Batman never in a dead vocal. Batman put your leg over the wall. No boy could have never hit me better than a tall. Batman put your leg over the wall. Everybody from Jamaica. We have your daddy here like this. You make me pop on because from there. How you feeling? Turn up the microphone. Turn up my microphone. Please. Bring it up. Yeah. Let's go. Do it. Everybody, get something and wave. Get something and wave. Ladies, get something. Chicago. Everybody, get it brown now. Ready. Don't you worry if you can dance. Get something and wave. We have got it at the end. Come on, everybody, make we do that. Can't take the field down a minute longer. Take it to the neck. As it gets stronger. Chicago! Everybody do like this. We have behind them. Haters want the war with me. What you say? Met with my crew, you go to the cemetery. Chicago. Haters want the war with me. What you say? Met with my crew. 6 haters want the war with me. None of them brave enough to fight for me. Fight for them come, elephant can drink. Level, 3 fight.
I like the vibes in Chicago.
Well, the vibes was definitely great. The fans were definitely into it, you know. The people believe in Cape Town, and I believe in the people, you know. It's all about good over evil. Righteousness, the way to the nation, you know. And you know the message is strong, you know, the fire is definitely energetic, you know what I mean? Fire is definitely for the purification and the preservation of soul, you know. In this time of age, you know, with so much blood sacrifice and so much corruption, and, you know, we need the fire to purify. You know, remember Bob Marley tell us, you know, them can't take everything, the only thing them can't take is the fire, you know what I mean? And when we say fire, it is not a literal fire, you know what I mean? More time when we say burn, I would say fire, you know, people take it literal, but it's not a literal fire. The fire comes through word, sound and power, you know what I mean? The fire is all about being yourself, know who you are, know where you're coming from in order to know where you're going. Never be a traitor or sell out to your heritage and your culture, your philosophy and your curriculum. Never stoop to the limitation in Babylon or accept the stripping of the royalty and say yes, it is all good. You know, always remember where you're coming from, and always the good and good will always follow you. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
And love is the ultimate force. You know
Yes,
what I
sir.
mean? Yeah, that's the fire.
What's the next big project?
Well, after Sumfest, then Europe tour. You know, I'll be in Europe for a month. All over, like Italy, France, Germany, Belgium, Holland, Switzerland, you name it. You know?
Don't worry.
Yeah, man. 'Cause, you know, we have to bring the message. You know, people depend on this message through the music, systematically, how the system oppress and suppress the people, you know what I mean, and how the system design. This is the music that, you know, encourage the people to keep their focus and, you know, don't worry about the turmoils and the obstacles and the trial and the tribulation and the stumbling block. That is a part of the struggle. Cannot lose hopes, cannot lose faith, don't get discouraged. You understand what I say? Always be courageous, you know, always remember that self-determination is the key. And always remember that discipline is wisdom, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Respect.
Okay,
Caribbean team.
I told you before that this part of the show is called energy. So if you don't have no energy, I don't know you're going to make it. Can somebody wait for me? Go like this, go so. Oh, boy. Can somebody jump? Can somebody jump? Can somebody jump? You the
Welcome back. I have with me Miss Aliyah, who is Miss Cook County, America Nation. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, what does Miss Cook County, America Nation do?
So basically what I'm doing is using my title to empower other people to be their best self. So it's definitely about getting our youth to be who they are, getting people to be their best self and to get out into the world and make a difference. So that's basically what I'm heading for.
Well, you are totally Miss Confidence here, Aliyah. Is that your platform, building confidence in the youth?
It definitely is, because that's something that I struggled with when I was younger, and this definitely helps for people to be themselves.
Tell us a bit about, what is the process of becoming Miss Cook County?
So basically, it's a newer pageant, so my title was actually appointed to me. So it's basically just getting together, working together, and being great together. So.
That is awesome. You mentioned a very important word that I really like is appointed. So when you're appointed, so the audience, the people have already seen something in you and they want you to project that something. Tell me a little bit more about that.
So I just try to be myself, basically. I try to do the best that I can to inspire other people to be their best self as well. It's just basically about empowerment. So that's basically what it's all about. Yes.
If you were to describe, it's a beautiful day in Chicago, you know how we treasure that. If you were to describe today the ambience, the music in one word, what would you say?
Amazing!
Amazing!
It is amazing.
Awesome. And how do we continue to follow you and learn more about what you do? How can we do that, the public watching Caribbean TV?
Okay, so you can follow us on Facebook at Miss International American Nation on Facebook, and then I do have my own Instagram account, and it is Aliyah Janae.
Aliyah Janae. And also, where are you in school? Are you in, are you studying? Are you in high school? Where are you?
I'm going to be studying again. So I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I took a break from regular school, but I'm headed back in the fall. I got to get it done.
Okay, well that's awesome because you look so young. I wasn't sure. So this is great. So we just had a great moment in knowing and learning more about Aliyah, who's excited, who's been appointed for this position. And to wrap it up, usually I didn't like the word role model, but I think it's a very phenomenal word. Would you support me in making it stronger in my life?
Oh, definitely, yes.
Yes, awesome. So tell me more about role model.
So basically, I would say it's like being an idol. So I would say I'm not perfect. None of us are perfect, but definitely we could get our youth and people to go in the right direction. That definitely says something. So.
Yeah, this is great in the right direction. Well, you've been using all these great words: empowerment, right directions, confidence. So these are the words that our youth is very thirsty to hear and really want to be guided. Wouldn't you say?
Yes, I agree with your statement. Yes, it's very important.
Well, good luck in this important platform, Aliyah. Thank you.
You're watching Caribbean TV. It's truly Randolph live at the first annual Jerk Fest. How are you doing, Tanya? How is everything?
I'm good.
Yes, ma'am. So, how do you like the vibe today anyway?
Oh, it's a nice, it's a really nice audience. It's orderly, you know, people are just out to have fun. There's no incident, no accident. Just, it's a good vibe.
So the people receive you nice. You like it. You feel.
We were having fun with each other.
Yeah. All right. So, what was you working on? Is it a CD or a hot single or I don't know?
Well, I have an album coming out in August. Okay. It's called Damage. So people can look out for that. Damage from Tanya Stevens. And of course, you know my thing. I spark discussion. I have a wide variety of stuff on here, so people can expect the unexpected.
Yes, sir. So, what pushed you to write that particular song, Damage?
Well, Damage is not a song; it's a whole album.
Okay.
So it has on a collection. You know, every single one of us is damaged in some way. Okay. And the process of life is about dealing with, coping with that. So I talk about all the different ways in which we might be damaged, but we cope.
Okay.
We survive.
All right. So on that album, which one of the songs is the single that you're promoting?
Well, right now there's a single out with myself and Elephant Man. We just started this sending it out, and we're shooting the video for it in a week in New York. And that song is called When It's Over.
When it's over, it's over.
When it's over. When it's over, and it's a party song with a really strong message. And Elephant Man really killed it too. So I love his energy on it, and I'm really excited about it.
Okay, great. So anything you want to share that I haven't asked you, I'm done.
The most important thing to say is always thank you. And I've been doing this for decades, and it never feels old. It still feels new. I'm always happiest when I'm with the people, and I just want to say thanks for their energy over the years.
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, my blessing. Because I am. It would be a shame for me to be having a good time and you're not, when I didn't even pay to come in, so you should have a good time, right? You better have a good time. Stations! Lord! You can't twerk, you girl, teach me now? Alright, backstage later, lessons. Are you ready for some more madness? I'm gonna do it. I want to sing this love song for every man inside here tonight. You like it? You don't even know where I get it. But you like it. That's what I get hurt. Alright. Well, it's not the way you are, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not the way you talk. You're definitely no movie star, and it's not the clothes you wear,
Shout out to Caribbean Shipping and Postal Service on Howard Street in Evanston, Illinois. The Jamaican Diaspora publication highlights all aspects of Jamaican culture on the island and worldwide. Stay in touch, stay connected. For more information, visit JamaicanDiaspora.com. Insurance brokers. Insurance brokers will cover all your insurance needs. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Auto, bond, business, home, liability, special events. We've got you covered. Call 773-338-2886. That's 773-338-2886. Jamaican American Club. The Jamaican American Club is a not-for-profit organization. For more information, visit JamaicanAmericanClub.org. That's JamaicanAmericanClub.org.
Good day, my name is Robert Milton Jackson. I saw the hand of God before I made the Talking Bible computer program and DVDs available at listenbible.com. Currently, we have 14 languages available: English, French, Haitian Creole, etc. I invite a hurting world to play the Talking Bible continuously in your home and join us in building giant Talking Bible billboards all over the world. Caribbean fruits? Remember coconut water? How about eating a juicy mango? Enjoy West Indian spices. Come to Rogers Park Fruit Market, 7401 North Clark Street. That's Rogers Fruit Market, 7401 North Clark Street. Call 773-262-3663. That's 773-262-3663.
U.S. Communication Network Group is a not-for-profit organization. We design healthcare programs, create communication networks, and promote our Haitian culture. For more information, visit thenicolecloteshow.com.
Yeah, so we were speaking about, your connection to the Caribbean, and
so I was saying that I've had the good fortune of being able to travel to different countries in the Caribbean, and I've enjoyed it so much. But I think as it relates to Illinois and running for lieutenant governor, what's important is to recognize the strength that we have in our diversity that's represented even here today at this International Festival of Life. We're at a time in our country where, unfortunately, we have leaders in Washington, and I say leaders lightly, leaders in Washington who are attacking immigrants and who seemingly don't want to embrace diversity and recognize the value of our immigrant communities. And so JB and I want to work very hard to make sure that Illinois is one of the most welcoming states in our country, so that everybody understands that they are welcome. We understand the value that everyone brings, no matter which country they're from. We want them to feel welcomed here in Illinois.
yes, and also, you mentioned you're running for lieutenant governor. So can you expand on what's your goal, what you're going to be doing?
Sure. So the lieutenant governor, of course, works in partnership with the governor, who would be JP. But one of the things that I've been very passionate about is criminal justice reform and helping to reduce mass incarceration. So one thing that I will be leading is a newly created Office of Criminal Justice Reform and Economic Opportunity. Because we know that when people have economic opportunity, they're much less likely to end up in the criminal justice system. And the criminal justice system disproportionately, communities of black and brown communities are disproportionately impacted by the criminal justice system. And so we need to make sure that we invest in our communities and make sure that everyone has an opportunity for jobs, quality education, access to health care, and all the things that make a strong community.
And also to last word, what are the specific needs of Chicago and Illinois at this time?
Well, I think we have some real challenges in the state of Illinois. In particular, we know that over the last 3.5 years under Bruce Rauner's leadership, we went through an incredibly long budget crisis that he manufactured, 736 days without a budget. So we have to make sure we bring in more resources into the state. JB and I have proposed a fair tax system so that the wealthier pay more, and those who are in the middle class or striving to get to middle class pay less on their taxes. We have to bring in more income so that we can better fund our schools. And we also have to make sure that we create jobs all across our state. That's something that we've heard as we've talked to communities all around.
Well, thank you, Mr. Jana. We certainly need you as our lieutenant governor.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome back. I have with me Lizzie G, a famous Haitian artist and young.
Yes, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. What's up, you all? I go by the name of Lizzie G. I'm a Haitian educated female rapper, born and raised in Chicago. Through my organization, Lizzie G Entertainment, we partner with schools and organizations to provide unique arts, music, and STEM programs. There's been a big disinvestment in the arts here in Chicago Public Schools. So I started my organization to be able to provide that outlet for kids to have a safe space, be creative, and know to be a bystander and not bully in the schools, and to stand up for what you believe is right.
That is good. What is your organization's name, Lizzie G?
Lizzie G Entertainment, LLC.
That's for the organization for the children also?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So is there a specific school that you are currently making a difference?
We're actually in over 200 schools annually, not just in Chicago, but globally. We just came back from Haiti on a mission trip and school tour, and we also travel there annually in December to conduct a school tour, serving over 5,000 youth in Haiti. So we're not just here in Chicago, we're all over the world, especially giving back to our young people in Haiti.
Well, I totally acknowledge you. I heard so much about you. I know we have some friends in common, like Les Surpris. And this is my first time meeting you, so I also feel like there's a disconnect in our community and getting to connect, getting to know each other much quicker, would you say?
I think if we unite though and work together, everything will go right. We can just move forward.
And I know you performed earlier at the International Festival of Life. Now, do you have like a favorite song that you performed?
Yes, actually the last song, which was called Kisanu Cafe, basically it's a song saying what can we do to help Haiti and what can we do to use our talents and our resources, especially those who are living here, to give back. And with my talents that I've been giving from God, I go back to Haiti to serve and to do mission trips and to just provide hope and inspiration for the youth and give them outlets that they can express themselves and giving them, of course, gifts too. So yes, I think it's important to do that.
And I also think, you use a specific, special, unique rapping style that support education, so the children are not just singing, or your audience, or your fans are not just singing, but they're also learning. Can you give us a sample?
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot of my music have themes with them, especially saying, make it happen in life. What can you do to make it happen for a better life for your community and for the next generation that are coming after us? Also to keep calm and graduate. Stay in school. A lot of young people think that you need to drop out of school to pursue whatever dream or talent that you have, but I think that's incorrect. If you stay in school, you pursue your dreams at the same time, you're able to do a lot. I know for me it worked. I have my master's degree. I own my own entertainment company. I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm teaching young people about this. And I stayed in school and pursued my dreams and used my tools and resources and turned my dreams and passions into a business, a paycheck now, doing what I love.
Well, this is awesome because I'm totally inspired. Now that I have met you, I'm learning more about you, about what you do, and the difference you continue to make for the community. So the last word, you got the last word.
Yes, I would just like to thank you once again for the opportunity. Anything I can do to help promote your efforts within Lizzie G Entertainment and what we do for the community in Chicago and Haiti, let me know. I would love to support. And thank you guys. If you want to keep in touch with me, you can find me at LizzieGmusic.com. I'm also active on all social media channels, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, you name it. Type in Lizzie G, you'll see me. And I just want to thank you all. Keep God first in everything that you're doing and keep pursuing your dreams. I love you guys.
Kisanu café pour Haïti, mandé Kisanu café. Kisanu café pour Haïti. Kisanu café pour Haïti. Kisanu café pour Haïti, mandé Kisanu café. Mandé Kisa moins café. Mais ouais pays nous a changé Kisa moins café. Nous doit mettre campé et puis nous doit changer. Nous obligés aider Timoun yo. Yo c'est génération cap vini. C'est pour yo être fort avec Jésus-Christ. All I wanna do is take care of my family and make sure that we always have a place to sleep. Yeah. Kisanu café, Kisanu café, Kisanu café, Kisanu café, Kisanu café, Kisanu café. What can I do to help? Kisanu café pour Haïti.
live at the 26th Annual International Festival of Life, brought to you by Martin's Interculture. You're watching Caribbean TV. I'm here with the man, LJ Royal. Big up, LJ. How's everything?
Everything is Irish, Virgin. Thanks a lot. You know, Chicago is off the chain. We had a great time on stage. The folks it was electrifying.
You like the vibe?
Yeah, man, the vibe was electrifying. People really enjoyed it.
What's your next big project?
Next big project, well, we go back to California and New York, and then back to Cali again. We have some fest, and then after that we go to Belize, and we go to London. So we have a bunch of things
all
moving.
over the place.
Yes, yeah.
And is this your first, second, third CD you're working on?
This is my third album. This album out now is called The Other Side of LJ, and it's distributed by Tough Gang Records, which is, you know, Tough Gang, Bob Marley, powerful. We're working on another thing, but it's on the low. All right, so really we're pushing The Other Side of LJ first.
Big respect.
Yes,
more time. We're going to have more time. Blow this up every time, all right?
All right, my brother.
You're watching Caribbean TV. LJ Royal.
Blessed love.
Also known as Assassin.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard that before, so I like the vibe.
It's a good vibe, and it's always great to come out and share the music with the people. We got a great day today in Chicago, and a massive day on the music there, so it's all good.
So the people receive it cool, they weren't cold or nothing.
And you for tell me, listen, I don't like talk about my performance. You need to do it. It's not my job to talk about my work, but the people them do that, you know what I mean?
Cool. All right. Do you have any things that you're working on, any original?
We have an album coming out this July, July 27th, with the release of my this third or fourth studio album. Can't tell you the name just yet, but it's out July 27th. So check it out. Love and respect.
Respect every time. So what are the things you're working on? What pursue you to write whatever you write? You write your own original or somebody writes it?
Yeah, well, I do my own material. My motivation is the love of the music first and foremost, and then outside of that, you try to the music that people can relate to, and I try to the music that I can relate to. So keep it real.
Where is the reggae music going in the future, far future?
Well, it goes wherever we take it. So with events like these, when people come out to support events like these to further the music, when we give young artists a chance to develop them craft and blossom, that's where the music goes. So we have a part to play in where the music goes, as opposed to sitting back and wondering about it. So play your part. Let the music go where you want it to go. Love and respect.
Anything else you want to share to the people?
Love and respect. You're watching Caribbean TV. This is Agent Sasko. You should have been here. Change, don't do something about it. Are we ready to go? No, change it. That's it for me, man. That's it. Hey, what is it? Can't get out of it.
Hi, my name is Andre. We're with Auntie Joy's Jamaican Kitchen. This is Auntie Joy. She does all the cooking. We're over at 1217 West Devon Avenue in Chicago. It's on the north side, close to Loyola University. Come check us out. We're always open every day. The best jerk on the north side, for sure.
She
Get